How to develop a routine without failing. The point is, you don't. In order to develop a new routine, you have to fail at it 100 times. Because this is what I personally did. And I still fail some days. I don't do my habits every day. You can't change within the snap of a finger. This is not possible. Your brain and body can't change in a short amount of time. It takes time and you have to fail at it many times in order to get it right. What helped me really to develop my routine is I just did it over and over again. I failed many times, but I just didn't give up. I just did it again. And then the next day I tried again, and the next day I tried again, over and over. And this is how you develop a routine. Also, it takes about 60 days to develop a new habit. So you can't expect to develop a new habit in 1 week. This is just not possible. You have to take your time. Just take your time. The easiest thing you can do. And do the habit over and over. And then you're gonna realize how close the habit is now to you. After a while, how am I explaining this? Let's say you wanna develop a new habit, and you're currently here, and your habit is there, and you're looking at it, and you want to develop this new habit? You want to achieve it, basically. You want to make it your habit. And then you do it over and over, and you fail, and you do it over and over, and fail, and try again, fail, try again, fail, try again, fail, try again. And then you're gonna realize how close you are to this habit, to your goal, basically, and that you nearly achieved it. So you have to be consistent. But first you have to understand what consistency really is, because consistency is not a streak. Consistency is not that you do the habit daily, every day in a streak for 60 days straight. No. Consistency is volume over time. That means maybe it takes you 90 days, but from these 90 days, there are 60 days where you have done the habit. So understand that it's not a streak. What really counts is the amount of days that you have done it. I have a really simple way how you can find out how much you did it. So, for every month, I make a plan. Make a day plan for 30 days. These are 7 habits that I want to do. And each of these is 30 days. So, basically 1 month. And if I complete the habit, I mark it green. And if I don't complete it at this day, I mark it red. So in the end of the month, I can look, alright, what habit have I done many times and which one don't. For example, last month I didn't read so much. There was like days where I read. And now I see this, and now I can take this information to improve it in the next month. Easy as that. You can just do this yourself. You can print it out, or you can just do it with a pen. And this is the easiest way to track it, basically. You can also get a tracker on your phone, but I think this is cooler because you can just see it every day and you can stick it on your wall, and I think I prefer this one. So don't miss 2 days. Try to don't miss 2 days in a row. Not because it's a streak, but because if you skip 1 day, that's alright. The next day you can do your habits easy. But if you skip 2 days, then it's way more difficult to start again, to do the habit. You probably experienced this. So try to implement this and keep it in mind. If you have to take 1 day off, that's okay, but 2 days is gonna be way more difficult. Alright, lastly I'm gonna say, don't rush it. Just don't rush it. It takes time. This is normal. It takes time to develop a new habit, so you can't expect to change yourself in a week. Don't do it perfect. You don't have to do it as perfectly as you could. Just do it over and over and over again. This is how you are developing your routine, your new habits. If you're interested in self-improvement and stuff I'm talking about, then look at the first link in the description. It's a free Discord community. We will have weekly calls together where I coach you, where I give you tips. I'm gonna answer questions and you can discuss your problems or wins with other community members. So if you'd like to join, it's free. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.